In this video, I'll show you two ways to select multiple elements in Canva for iPad. Let's use this design as an example. Method 1. First, click on an element. Then, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the element. Choose Select Multiple from the menu. Next, tap other elements you want to add to your selection. That's it. To deselect, tap anywhere empty on the background. Note, if smaller elements are behind larger ones, this method might accidentally select unwanted items. Method 2. Go to the Position tab. Under Layers, tap the first element you want to select. Hold the CT or L key or use multi-touch gestures if using a trackpad and tap additional elements. And that's all. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.